Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2014 Mitsubishi ASX XLS, stock reference number 5789. This shape runs from the 7th month 2013 and is the current shape. It has a 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 4B11 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine with radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, bonnet has no damage, left power door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate has no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors and guard have no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater control, sat nav head unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.